When you're drawing a face, begin by sketching in a basic oval shape. Most faces are rounded at the top and slightly narrower at the bottom, like an upside-down egg. Next, draw a line down the center of the face vertically and another one horizontally, halfway between the top and bottom. These lines will help you figure out how to position the features on the face. Draw another horizontal line halfway between the middle line and the bottom line of the face, and sketch in the base of the nose so that it rests on that line. Use the vertical guideline to help you center the nose. Divide the lower part of the face in half again with another horizontal line, and draw the mouth so the bottom lip rests on top of the new guideline. Move back up to the first horizontal line and sketch in 2 circles on the line, positioning them on either side of the central vertical line. These shapes will form the eye sockets. Draw in the eyebrows on top of these circles, and use the bottoms to indicate where the tops of the cheekbones are. Sketch the eyes in the middle of each circle, using an almond shape. As a rule of thumb, try to leave about one eye's width in the middle, between the eyes. Draw in the eyelids and add an iris and pupil to the center of each eye. Next, add the ears. The top of each ear should line up with the outer edges of the eyebrows, while the earlobe should line up with the bottom of the nose. Finish by filling in the hair, starting from the part and working your way out to the ends. You can also add the neck and shoulders if you like. When you're done, erase the guidelines and add in details like the eyelashes, shading under the eyes and nose, and natural-looking lines around the eyes and mouth. To vary the look of the face, practice changing the shapes and sizes of individual features. For example, keep in mind that adult male faces tend to have wider jaws and heavier brows than the faces of women and children.